Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking an early look at some cases here by Supcase for the Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Thanks to them for sending these out so we can go ahead and take an early look at them. As you can see here, I do have my Galaxy S10 Plus out, so we can kind of compare sizes and see how it will fit in these cases here to give us a better idea of the sizes of these new phones. Now, like I said, this is just an early look, not a full review. I will be doing an official full review and drop test with these cases once I get the official device in hand. And I will also be at the Impact event itself to cover it all on the channel. It is not that far away from now, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of those videos, and also leave a like on this video as well. So let's go ahead and get these out of the box. Woo! All right, so we definitely got a lot of cases here for the Galaxy S20 series. Up top, we have the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and then down here at the bottom, we have the Unicorn Beetle Style, giving you that see-through back to show off the beauty of your S20 device, and also having more of a slimmer build to it compared to the Unicorn Beetle Pro model. Now up here at the top left, these are for the Galaxy S20. Then moving to the middle, we have cases for the Galaxy S20 Plus in both styles, and then also both styles for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. You can also tell by that big camera opening right there. Now I do imagine that this style will be available for the Galaxy S20 as well, but they just did not provide me with those this time. But the launch date for all of these cases right here will be the actual date of the event. So February 11th, these will be launched on Amazon. I will add those links to this video that day, and I will add them to future videos as well. But if you want to go ahead and just look for them yourself, you can just go to Amazon, type in Supcase Galaxy S20 or Galaxy S20 Supcase, and they will be giving away an S20 device. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I will be working with them on that giveaway, announcing it here on the channel to let you know how you can enter and possibly win a Galaxy S20 device. So like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. But let's go ahead and get started here looking at these cases. Now, the first one that caught my eye is a specific color with the Unicorn Beetle Pro, which is the metallic blue color. I think it looks really nice. We'll go ahead and start with the regular S20 series here. Look at this, looking really nice, especially when you shine it in the light like that. And it's got a nice little carbon fiber design up top as well. But let me go ahead and take it out of the holster. All of them will come with this holster as well. So say you work construction or anything like that, you can go ahead and clip it onto your pants right there and it'll hold it just fine. But let me go ahead and set this over to the side. Let's take a look at the inside of the case. It looks really good as well. They definitely pay attention to detail when making these cases. This is a two-piece case. This blue inside piece right here does come out, and then down at the bottom, it lets you know how to go ahead and do that, separating front casing from rear case. So you're going to go ahead and do that down here at the bottom right corner, which we will do in a bit to go ahead and try out the Galaxy S10 Plus in this case to see if it will fit or not. Then going back to the back, as you can see here, it does have a kickstand on the case, which is pretty cool if you want to pop your phone up to watch videos or just look at the clock to use the alarm or whatever, using a timer. It's always good to have there. And then you can also use it as a pop socket, which is also pretty cool. So let me go ahead and take this inside part out so we can go ahead and see what the Galaxy S10 Plus looks like in this case. All right, so I tried getting my Galaxy S10 Plus into the case, but as you can see there, it's definitely not going to fit. This just confirms that the regular Galaxy S20 is definitely going to be a bit smaller than the Galaxy S10 Plus. And even if I tried putting it on with the framing, this is definitely not even going to fit over this screen. So the S20 definitely going to be a bit smaller than the S10 Plus. All right, now let's go ahead and try out the cases for the Galaxy S20 Plus. We'll go ahead and use this model right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it in there, see what happens. And it actually slapped in pretty good. It looks like it might be the same width as the Galaxy S20 Plus, but if you look at the bottom and at the top, we actually got some space going on there. So it looks like the Galaxy S20 Plus is definitely going to be a bit taller than the Galaxy S10 Plus. I guess the Galaxy S10 Plus is pretty much in the middle of the regular S20 and the S20 Plus. Like I said, it looks like it's pretty much the same width, but we do got some space going on the bottom and at the top. So the S20 Plus is definitely going to be a bit taller than the Galaxy S10 Plus. But as far as holding it in the hand goes, I don't think it's going to be a problem. Like I said, it's just going to be a bit taller, but as far as the width and the thickness goes, it's going to be just fine. At least that's what it feels like to me so far, just with the case alone. But I'm really curious to see what the size difference is going to be like with the S20 Ultra. So let me go ahead and get it in one of those cases. All right, so we'll go ahead and use the same model right here, but in black. Let me go ahead and throw it in there. And look at all that space right there. My goodness. So the Galaxy S20 Ultra is definitely going to be a massive device, definitely going to be bigger than the Galaxy S10 Plus. Look at that. We definitely got a lot of space going on right there. Even the width is just a little bit bigger. It doesn't feel too snug as far as hugging the sides of the phone. We definitely got some movement there going on. So it's definitely going to be just a little bit more wider and definitely a lot taller than the Galaxy S10 Plus. And I'd actually really like to see what the Note 10 Plus would look like in this case, just to get an idea of size difference. But I'm actually filming on that device right now. I'll probably throw something over the video right here. I'll probably film it after I'm done filming this video, so you guys can get an idea of size difference between the Note 10 Plus and S20 Ultra. But look at that. It's definitely going to be a massive device, and it fell right out of the case. So there it is, definitely giving us an idea of the sizes of the S20 devices compared to the previous Galaxy S10 Plus. And just taking a closer look at both styles of cases here, both look like they're definitely going to have a good sized camera cutout, pretty deep camera cutout, giving you some good protection for your camera lens. And then going to the bottom, you got your cutouts for the charging port, microphone, and the speaker. And then this one actually has a flap, so you don't get any dust or water in there, even though the phones are going to be water resistant. And then up top, we got a cutout for the microphone as well. But overall, both very good cases. Like I said, I've done drop tests with these cases on other devices, which I will leave a link for one of those videos down in the description below in case you'd like to go and check out some of those drop tests. These cases can definitely be trusted. Like I said, they will be launched the day of the event, so I'll go ahead and throw some links down in the description below once that day hits. And then I will also be doing a full review of these cases with the actual device. This was just supposed to be an early look at them to kind of get an idea of size of these devices. And I'm really loving this blue one right here. Just look at it one more time. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Now, don't forget, like I mentioned earlier, Supcase is going to be doing a giveaway with an S20 device. And like I said, I will be mentioning it on this channel when you can go and enter, how you can go and enter. So again, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that giveaway or any future videos at that. You are definitely going to want to stay tuned for what I have coming. But for now, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think about these cases down in the comment sections below. And if you have anything that you would like me to cover at the Unpacked event, just let me know down in the comment section as well. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, this is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.